Rounding to the nearest lakh. Working rule. While rounding a given number to the nearest lakh, 1. We round it to the nearest multiple of lakh, which is greater than the given number, if the digit in the 10,000s place in the number is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. 2. We round it to the nearest multiple of lakh, which is less than the given number, if the digit in 10,000s place in the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Example. Round the following numbers to the nearest lakh. A. 5,35,475. C. 14,95,321. Solution. A. 5,35,475 is nearer to 5 lakh than 6 lakh. Therefore, it is rounded to 5 lakh. 14,95,321 is nearer to 15 lakh than 14 lakh. Therefore, it is rounded to 15 lakh.